So welcome back to Basin Motorsports. So if you obviously saw the title, you kind of know what the video is about. So last Friday was my last day at my official job, my 9 to 5 that I've been at for 5.5 years, and it ends my career in automotive, at least on the OEM side, in 20 years. So today I am just out kind of hanging out. I got plenty to do on the farm, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get the widefox out, listen to the old rusty Flowmasters, and give it a good wipe down. So I've been furloughed for 5.5 months, and I did a video on that of kind of what I was expecting to do. And since then, I kind of have, I guess the longer it's gone on, I've known this day was coming. So last week I got the call. Last Friday was my last day. So today I am a free man, I guess you'd say, and I am master of my own destiny. So going forth on the channel, things will change slightly, and it's more or less the content that's going to come to you. I was originally going to work on the Gray Lady for a touch, just to kind of work on it until my car pods are done, which will be probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. And then I was going to take it, put it back together, and then just put it in storage. I've decided against that. Rather than put the Gray Lady off for 6 months or whenever I get back to it, I'm going to go ahead and finish it. Soon the snow will fall, I won't be outside very much, and rather than sit inside and watch TV or surf the internet, I'm just going to put on my big boy pants and get out here and get the Gray Lady done. So it's already running and driving. A couple small things to work on with that piece of it, and then I'm going to get the vinyl wrap done. So it's going to be a little bit of body work, it's going to be a lot of vinyl wrap. Painting, I'm not too sure of, doing the sail panels and some other pieces, but I think I can do that inside without making too big of a mess. And then once it's done, the Gray Lady is done, I'll put it back together. It'll probably have some interior stuff that I may need till next year, but it'll be a solid car ready to go for sale next spring. And you know, from that point on, the wide body is going to be all hands on deck. So I'm going to do a metal wide body on the widefox. I've already picked out the English wheel I'm going to buy. I'm going to add in some front studs here, some 3-inch ARP studs, and I'm going to add in a 1-inch spacer there to push the wheels out front and back so they match, and that way I can build the metal wide body from there. So do some videos on putting the studs in, what I need to do, and then you guys are going to see something that's probably never been documented, and if it has, I haven't been able to find it, but it's a metal wide body, one-off custom creation that I'm going to build here on the widefox, and then who knows where I'm going to go from there. So it's kind of a somber day, but not really, because I kind of saw it coming. But today I'm officially unemployed. So that's it. We're going full content creator and farmer for the future, and then I don't know. We'll see you next time.